So today we are going to study about entrepreneurial development. So what do we mean by entrepreneurial development? Now as nowadays we are aware that entrepreneurship has gaining attention of academicians, institutions and corporate and government. So government is taking entrepreneurship development as a challenge to foster the economic development. Entrepreneurship is the art of starting a business, offering creative products, process or services. It is a creative activity of admiring customers. This is a skill that so many people possess, particularly youth. But because of lack of internal and external support, they fear to take up the enterprising. For such kind of people, entrepreneurship development is a boon. So, what do you mean by entrepreneurship development? Entrepreneurship development is a process of creating a product or service by devoting time, efforts, and by analyzing the risk associated with it. Entrepreneurship development refers to the process of enhancing entrepreneurial skills and knowledge which can be gained through training programs. The ultimate goal of enterprise development are to encourage people towards enterprising activity, supporting new venture, employment generation, and economic development. It also focuses on small and medium enterprise and their growth to increase its competitiveness. Entrepreneurial opportunities. Nowadays, the growing sector has many opportunities. So, the entrepreneur has to recognize the opportunity. After recognizing the opportunity, he has to innovate a business solution to attract the customers. This helps the entrepreneur to find the potential product or the service that provide the value to a customer. As nowadays we are aware that customers admire the new approach of marketing. If they feel that the product is not worthy paying, then the entrepreneur fails to get his business. Therefore, entrepreneur must analyze the true business opportunity which customer values. Opportunity conditions arises at a board societal level such as update knowledge and improving standarding levels, understanding levels, the development of a new technology, shifting demographics, political change, or changing attitude and norms that gives rise to new preferences and concerns. Hence, an innovation entrepreneur can find opportunities in everywhere he travels. So, there are some of the opportunities which are in India. The environment of entrepreneurship. Now, as we are aware that India is one of the largest, fastest growing economies, population is an asset for developing nation like India. It also rich in natural resources. But on the other side of the coin, all the resources can't be provided to all the people. The poverty and employability is also a problem of India. Hence, India has to identify new business venture to provide employment opportunity and utilize the natural resources. Nowadays, environment plays a crucial role in enterprising both internal and external environment influence business. If the entrepreneurs are aware of the environment, they can analyze the scope of the business they want to do. There are several industries in India, that is agriculture, automobiles, banking, insurance, biotechnology, pharmacy and many others. So the present growing business in India are information technology. So it is the fastest growing industry which brought considerable change to India's image from a slow developing economy to a global player in providing world class technology solution. Information technology industry consisting of two major components, that is IT and BPO, that is business process outsourcing. According to IBE, that is Indian Brand Equity Foundation, IT industry is set to touch $225 billion by 2020. And India's current Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started a project called Digital India with an intention to secure IT position both within and outside the country. The second one is telecom industry. So the network is the second largest in the world with 1.053 billion subscribers, and on the 31st March 2016 there were 342.65 million internet subscribers in the country. The major sector of Indian telecommunication are telephone, internet and televisions. Even the government is facilitating mass media education programs for the rural folk of India. The mobile and internet penetration has to increase the further, which is an encouragement to new enterprise mobility. The third one is infrastructure industry. There is a fast growth in India infrastructure over the past decade. It may be the roads, highways, or the railways, or the power or oil and gas, and many others. The Indian government and various state governments are making efforts to bring the rapid progress in this. International investors are showing keen interest to collaborate with India on infrastructure, high speed trains, renewable energy and developing smart cities. Infrastructure industry is making a great progress in the year to come. According to industry estimate, India Aviation is to also making its efforts to become the third largest across the global by 2020. Retail industry. India's retail industry has occupied a remarkable position in the global retail ranking. Retailing is an organized and unorganized manner. The organized manner can be trading activities undertaken by licensed retailer, and the unorganized are without the license. So the under the organized retailing like trade, supermarkets, corporate bank, hypermarkets and retail chains, and the unorganized like low cost retailing, that is local corner shops, general stores, pawn shops, convenience stores and many others. Organized retailing was very dull till 2010, and after there is a visible growth when it expanded to rural and small towns of India. The fifth one is food processing industry. Indian food processing industry is the largest world's second producer. It covers fruit, vegetables, meat, poultry, dairy products and many other things. In- Increased urbanization and improved standards of living and dual income families. Because of that factor, these are some of the factors of growth of food processing industry in India. India is one of the leading exporter of processed food products. Easy availability of raw materials, changing lifestyles of people, economic policies, cultural diversity, etc. are the factors which raise the growth of food processing industry. Government is also encouraging startups towards establishing food and beverages manufacturing units. The last one is tourism industry. India has gained exponential growth in the tourism industry. India is culturally diversified country, so people around the globe prefer to visit India. It provides tourism services for the foreigners. It is the most profitable industries in the country. According to the World Travel and Tourism Council by 2020, India tourism industry is expected to contribute rupees 8,50,000 crores to the GDP. The Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report 2017 ranks India fourth out of 136 countries. The Ministry of Tourism, with collaboration of central ministries, agencies, states, governments, union territories, and representative of the private sector, designs national policies for the development and promotion of the tourism. The Ministry of Tourism also commissions a program by the name Incredible India to promote tourism. Hence, entrepreneurs have to analyze the environment to study the growth of various sectors of the business. So these are some of the 6 points where there is a entrepreneurial opportunities in India. Thank you.